Welcome, my name is Gergely Sipos. I am a member of the pGrade Grid Portal developer team at the Hungarian Academy of Sciences. In this short video presentation, I highlight some of the latest features of our software product. pGrade Portal is an open source grid application developer and user environment already installed on several national and international computational grid infrastructures, including the largest scientific grids of the world. The pGrade Portal developer team is committed to simplify the management, the programming, and the usage of computational grids. The features that I introduce in this presentation also represents major steps towards this goal. The first feature is a grid application repository, which is embedded into the web environment of pGrade Portal. The repository is based on the open source DSpace solution, and it eases the collaboration among grid users. Any pGrade user can share workflows and parameter study applications via the repository. Moreover, this can be done directly from the user's personal workspaces. Searching for and reusing other users' applications is easy, thanks to the various tags and metadata that are associated with the shared entities. We hope that in the near future, many of our users will make their applications publicly available through the new repository service. The second feature is an infrastructure test portlet by which the accessibility and reliability of grid computing and storage resources can be tested. The portlet is based on a workflow application that launches specific test units into the underlying grid. The tests run with the end user's grid credentials, so the results these produce are relevant for the users. The failure of a test clearly indicates that a specific resource is inaccessible or that the connectivity between two sites is not satisfactory. The overall test suite provides extremely useful input for the mapping of distributed applications to the grid. The third new feature of pGrade Portal is an accounting interface. By this service, the users can monitor their resource consumptions, while system managers can obtain statistics about users. The portlet can display various metrics about the computational and storage resources that users and their applications consumed. Malicious users can be easily banned by the system administrator from the system through this service. The fourth new feature is a programming package that targets Grid Portal developers. By this package, any pGrade Portal installation can be customized for specific user communities, making only relevant applications, tools, and services visible to them. The package simplifies the creation of scientific gateways, web environments that collect domain-specific services for scientific communities. The scientific gateway package in pGrade Portal was already used by the render imaging and video rendering community, the Omnet discrete event simulation community, and other scientific groups. pGrade-based application-specific portals provide extremely simple solutions to perform complex computational tasks in a reliable way on unreliable grid resources. The last highlight of this video is the next generation pGrade portal called Grid User Support Environment, or GUS in short. GUS provides advanced programming patterns for application developers, enabling complex data flows on G-Lite, Globus, Condor, and Boeing grid systems, and on various other types of high-performance computing resources. Currently, the most important user community of the GUS environment is the Cancer Grid project, whose members run hundreds of thousands of computational tasks on a mixed infrastructure built from PCs and clusters. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video raised your interest to the new advanced features of pGrade Portal and that we can soon welcome you among our users. I invite you to visit the pGrade Portal webpage, the GUS webpage, and our exhibition booth at the EGE09 conference in Barcelona in September 2009.